Like it is a science, it is a maths, okay, it is English, it is history, geography. So we have all such topics. But this all topics are related to English language. Okay, you are having classes for science, maths, that is great. But when it is coming to school going students who want to learn long answers, yes, उनको लॉन्ग आंसर्स लर्न करना रहते हैं, तो तब वो कैसे करेंगे, तब उनको प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. ठीक है, वो सेक्टर में वो लर्न नहीं कर पाते, उनको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस आता है. क्यों? बिकॉज आपके स्टूडेंट्स को ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है. हमने इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सिर्फ ग्रामर सीखा है. दैट्स व्हाई दैट मेंटालिटी इज नॉट ग्रोइंग. Okay, so to grow this mentality, we are here with you. Okay, as your child is growing higher and higher, now he might be in 5th standard, then he would go to 6th standard, then he would go to 9th standard, then he would go to 10th standard. Okay, 10th standard is the highest level of education at this age. Okay, so in this, students need to put so many classes. Why do you think? Because their base is not clear. Okay, बेस फाउंडेशन नसेल आणि त्याच्यावर तुम्ही बिल्डिंग उभी करायचं ठरवलं तर ती बिल्डिंग पडणारच. ओके, सो युअर फाउंडेशन इज युअर इंग्लिश लँग्वेज. नाउ कमिंग टू बिझनेस अँड जॉब. ओके, वी ऑल आर डूइंग बिझनेस, we all are going to jobs. Now housewives, they are sitting at the home and doing the house chores. But if you plan, you can also do work from home, which is available nowadays. Okay, and all those goes in only one language, and that is English language. Okay, now you might be saying that my child should become a doctor, my child should become a scientist, my child should know technology, my child should go into IT sector. Okay, now this is the main core of today's era, artificial intelligence. What do you think? What is artificial intelligence doing? Artificial intelligence is making you dependent on it. Okay, artificial intelligence is cutting down your skills, and you have to prepare your skills for presentation, which is very important. You can copy everything from ChatGPT, but can ChatGPT speak for you guys? चॅट जीपीटी मधून तुम्ही सगळं काही कॉपी करू शकता, पण प्रेझेंटेशनच्या वेळेस चॅट जीपीटी तुम्हाला मदत करते का? नो. का बरं? त्याच्यामध्ये तर सगळं आहे ना, मग तुम्हाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? तुम्हाला मेल लिहायचंय, चॅट जीपीटी मध्ये टाका तुम्हाला कोणतं मेल पाहिजे. ओके, यू विल गेट मेल स्ट्रक्चर, ते तुम्ही कॉपी करणार आणि तुमच्या जे काही बॉस असेल त्यांना सेंड करणार. पण तुम्हाला प्रेझेंटेशन करायचंय, त्यावेळेस तुम्ही काय करणार? त्यावेळेस तुमचा फक्त एकच मार्ग आहे आणि तो आहे तुमचे स्किल्स. ओके, तुमच्याकडे जर स्किल्स नसले तर तुम्ही कुठेच नाहीये. तुम्ही सर्टिफिकेट घ्या, तुम्ही मार्क्स गेन करा, पण त्याच्या सोबत तुम्हाला स्किल्स पाहिजे. इट इज कंपल्सरी नाउअडेज. ओके, ओके, ओके. नाउ वी ऑल आर इनटू द टेक्नॉलॉजी वर्ल्ड. ओके, we all are using Facebook, we all are using ChatGPT, we all are using Instagram. Yes, we are seeing everything on net, yes, which is related to media and entertainment. Now so many people like to make videos, but they don't have proper language. Now so many people want to enter this field, but due to communication they are lacking behind. Okay, yes, so that's why in this field also English is important. It is your choice which language you have to select. Because after all it is entertainment segment. Everyone cannot become a Bollywood actor, everyone cannot become a Hollywood actor. There are some special skills in you guys. Okay, so for that also if you select English as your first, or I would say primary language, then it would be a great help for you guys. Now whenever we travel, okay, we travel to another countries, we travel for study purpose, we travel to another nationals. So what happened at the airport? You need English language. They will speak to you in Hindi, Marathi, but that they will speak later on. Okay, but first they will ask you for your passport, your boarding pass, and all those things. So it goes in the conversation goes in English language. Now if you go for Air Arabia, of course you will find English language. If you go for Air India, of course you will find Hindi Marathi language. So it depends. The sectors are different. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now coming to the legal government. Okay? In legal government also, as per the Act 1963, mostly people are using English language for documentation, okay, for legal administrative papers. They go somewhere, they try to type it from a typewriter and get it printed, okay. So if you start yourself, no need to go to a typewriter to type a letter. You can just give him a file, it is ready for print, it is saving your time and your cost also. Okay, alright. Now, as I said in the beginning, it's a communication language, okay. It is not our first language, it is our second language and not the first language. Now it is going to give you better opportunities for your studies, okay. Thirdly, you will get good jobs, good career growth if you have this quality with you. Fourth, it is going to enhance your digital world and give you expansion, okay, if you have the skills with you. It is going to build your confidence and your personality. Very important part, okay. If you know this language very well, the most important thing is you are going to come in a structure, okay. Your students are going to mold in a structure where they can stand in front of anyone fearlessly and talk, okay. उनको डर फैक्टर जो रहता है वो निकल जाएगा, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल उनका बिल्ड होगा, पर्सनालिटी उनका डेवलप होगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि हाँ न्यू एनवायरनमेंट में जा रहे हैं, अभी उनको डर लग रहा है, बात नहीं हो रहा है. सो दीज ऑल फैक्टर्स विल बी नॉट देयर, ओके. एंड yes, your subject learning process is going to become more easier. Let it be history, geography, math, science, whatever. Yes, so that all is going to become more easier for you. Now what are we providing as ZD? What are we going to provide you? We are going to provide you digital learning. You can go to our Instagram account and you can check how students are learning over there. We would show you few over here also. We are going to give you gamified learning where the students will not become bored, okay. Because when we talk about English, the first thing that comes to our brain is it will be boring. Because grammar कोणालाच लर्न करायचं नाहीये. येस, त्यांना ग्रामरचे कॉन्सेप्ट खूपच अवघड वाटतात, त्यांना काहीच समजत नाही and they feel it is very boring. Yes, so we are not giving you boring sessions. We are giving you gamified learning where they are going to learn with games and it will be fun for your children. They will be involved. Yes, there will be challenging tasks that we are giving to your students, okay. Confidence will be built. Development of language, of course 100% it's going to happen. Then your communication skills are going to increase or improve. Now when we say, yes, okay. Now the most important factor comes over here, which is known as implementation. Now what do you mean by implementation? We are giving you everything practical, okay. Yes, we are not giving you theoretical. Theoretical हम आपको ज़्यादा नहीं दे रहे, हम आपको practical दे रहे. जो भी sessions होंगे वो 100% practicals होंगे. Yes, unless and until it doesn't become practical, it will not be useful for you. आज तक हमको सिर्फ इतना सिखाया गया था, ग्रामर के बुक से सेंटेंस बनाओ, टेंस करेक्ट होना चाहिए, ये सब होना चाहिए. बट इसके अलावा लँग्वेज बहुत है जो आपको पता होनी जरुरी आहे. आता मराठी आपण बोलतो तेव्हा आपण फक्त व्याकरण बघतो का? नाही बघत, ओके. जर आपल्याला मार्क्स पाहिजे तर तेव्हा आपण ग्रामर बघू. टीचर्स आपले मिस्टेक काढतील कारण ग्रामर प्रॉपर नाहीये, ओके. तर तिकडे आपल्याला मार्क्स कमी भेटणार आहे. पण आपण नेहमी ग्रामर बघत नाही, ओके. वी आर सीइंग एव्हरीथिंग. आता तुम्ही जेव्हा बोलणार मराठीमध्ये किंवा हिंदीमध्ये इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलणार तेव्हा तुम्ही ग्रामर बघणार का? नाही बघणार. तुमचं कॉन्फिडन्स आहे की नाही बोलायला हे तुम्ही बघणार पहिले. येस, तुम्हाला इथे उभे राहण्याची इच्छा आहे की नाही हे तुम्ही बघणार पहिले. सो दॅट इज कमिंग इनटू इम्प्लिमेंटेशन. We give speech and training program also, okay. We will transform your personality from zero to hero, okay. Yes, Now, I will tell you the concept of this. You all have water facility at your home. पाणी सगळ्यांच्या घरात येतं की नाही? येतं ना? सकाळी पहिले उठलं की आपल्याला पाणी पाहिजे. आपण काय करतो? पहिले वॉशरूमला जातो आणि आपण पाणी चेक करतो आहे की नाही. जर टाकी भरलेलीच नसेल तर पाणी येणार का? नाही येणार ना? ऑफकोर्स नाही येणार, कारण टाकीमध्ये पाणीच नाहीये. ओके, तसंच जर तुमच्या मुलांच्या ब्रेन मध्ये व्होकॅब्युलरी नसली तर तुम्हाला ते बोलता येणार नाही, त्यांना ते बोलता येणार नाही. येस. सो दिस व्होकॅब्युलरी इज लाईक द तुम्ही लिस्नर आहे. ओके, आय होप 80% लोकांना माझी लँग्वेज कळते. ओके, so this is a speaker and this is a listener. So you see how the speech therapy goes on. Unless and until it is not here, okay, it will not pass message to your nervous system ki which language mein you have to speak, and unless it doesn't pass the message to the nervous system, your mouth is not going to speak. Okay, the reading skills and your writing skills. So there are 4 skills. First is your listening skill, second is your reading skill, third is your writing, and fourth is your speaking. Writing मध्ये मिस्टेक्स आहे ते क्लिअर होणार, स्पीकिंग मध्ये प्रोनाउन्सिएशनचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे ते क्लिअर होणार. ओके, लिसनिंग स्किल्स वाढतील तेव्हा तुमच्या मुलाला बोलायला येईल. ओके, सो आता तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. नाउ Q&A टाइम. Yes, any parents have any questions? Students, you may ask. किती दिवसाचा सेमिनार असणार आहे? ओके.